Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Chizzy from Lifestyle Podcast. Today, Silo, Dr. K, all the way from Ngale.
The United States of South Africa.
Dr. K.
Dumani athumezizweni isihlahla somdlebeni ndela mzimba bejembeje mfazweni impahla inhliziyo zamadoda ebomvu nabasetete nabasenyimbane mkhonto kwazi igazi ntaba iKhalamas Dictionary ndaba zadidi umndeni ngalunywa inja ngaphethe nduku ngathi ngiyakha kwabhidlika ngathi ngiyafulela kwanetha siqoqula mdala ohlala emotional qiya mtolo maka ngathi uthi ngakuvuleka indlela sanibona nonke bantu baseZimbabwe Rhodesia, it was called Rhodesia by then so it changed to Zimbabwe. Sanibona bantu base Rhodesia, let me use the old name.
Rhodesian.
Lamhlanje silayo lamhlanje Dr. K lo lihlala lisizwa ngaye Dr. K Odumo. He the one and only sangoma that we have. Dr. K, asifuna ukudlalisa isikhathi sakho, very apologetic. Last time we recorded an episode, then I didn't manage to release it due to electronic problems. But this time around, September and Siyabonga kakhulu for having us again, for giving us the second chance.
Another chance.
Yeah, abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi Dr. K ubani and uyenza ngani.
Hey, udokotela uKhehlelezi insizwa ezalwa ezweni lase South Africa endaweni yase Eastern Cape, ilali noma ngithi town yethu iMount Freya. Baba wami wase Mount Freya endaweni yase Mandilini. Umama wami wase Mount Freya endaweni yase Mzinto. Then I was raised by a stepfather who is coming from Zimbabwe in a place called Plumtree. No lebeleka Chikalanga. Isibongo sakhe umoyo. Yes, usala kamoyo umoyo udewa umageza ngocako. Yes, uyena loyo. And most of my initiation so I did it here in Zimbabwe in a place called Cholocho.
Okay.
Cholocho. So, and then also
Cholocho, are you familiar with the Nsibizejwane?
Yes. Then I also attended school in a school called Ngwana Primary School. When I was young, I think I was doing grade 3 up to grade 7. And also went to a school in our team Zingwane Mission.
Okay.
Zingwane Mission, it's Eskodini.
Eskodini. I've been asking myself, what is this love from Dr. K for Zimbabweans? Now,
okay. Zimbabwean roots.
Yeah, so I did my Form 1 there.
Okay.
And I think when I was supposed to go to Form 2, I couldn't. I then went back to South Africa. I'm like someone who was in exile.
Okay.
Like those who said we were in exile in Angola. So I was also in exile in Zimbabwe. Yeah, so I know Zimbabwe in and out.
Okay.
So most of my things were done here. So that is why I have this love for Zimbabwe, because even my spiritual journey, it was mostly done here.
Okay.
So yeah, that is actually who Dr. Khehlelezi.
Okay. And you're still doing it in Zimbabwe?
And I'm still doing it in Zimbabwe as I'm talking to you right now.
Yeah.
I have a big church here in Zimbabwe. I came to attend in Makokoba. Makokoba is like Hillbrow in South Africa.
Yeah.
Most of the ghetto boys. You'll find them there.
Okay.
It's an old township in Bulawayo. Where everyone who's trying to be a gangster starts there.
That's true.
So in Makokoba.
Okay.
That's where I've chose to go into my church. Because I like people. I love people. So
and they like you.
They like me too.
50-50.
The girls, they love me. And I don't love
big
them.
time. Oh my God.
Unfortunately, I'm taking 3 wives.
Show them the ring. Show them the ring.
I've got 3.
Yeah, I was about to ask if Dr. K is open for
CVs.
Yeah.
The CVs, if they are open, you must expect the rejection.
Yes.
It might be rejected because I already have accepted 3.
Hey, oh my God.
Married.
3 wives at home.
At home, I would say. And then, how many kids? I think it's about 9, 10.
Oh.
Ngiyayenza lento mfowethu manilele ebusuku mina ngiyayenza lento ngizilala.
Why we sleeping? He's busy waking.
No, mina ngiyena 6:30. 6:30 ulo muntu olala 6:30 awuvuka kusasa. Mina ngilala mfowethu ngiyasebenza. You must leave my footprints wakho behind, even if you die tomorrow. You must have those people who represent you.
Yeah, that's true.
So they are my representatives.
That's true.
So Dr. K yena umuntu oyenza ngani kumbe ngithi udila ngani from the word Dr. K.
Okay. Dr. Ketlelezi, I'm actually a doctor,
Oh.
traditional healer.
A traditional
And
healer.
also, I'm also a pastor.
A
Yo, I'm
doctor?
sorry to use this word.
Yeah.
You are a fool if you go to church and say, I don't practice my culture. Meaning you are practicing the white man culture.
Practicing another man's culture.
Yes,
Okay.
it is a white man's culture. Us going to church, it means we are supporting them.
Okay.
So I'm one of those people who are supporting the white man.
So we also fool on that one.
So on that one, I support them 50%. And 100% I'm supporting my culture.
Okay.
Because he himself, Jesus,
Yeah.
was having his own all things. My ancestors, Aga Israel.
Okay.
Those are the ancestors.
Okay.
If you are a human being, you must know your where are your roots?
Where you coming from?
Where are you coming from?
Where you belong.
And where do you belong?
Yeah.
You must have a mother. You must have a surname.
Yeah.
And the surname goes with the claim names.
Okay.
Lento ngesindebele abathi
Isitemo.
Isitemo.
Totem.
NgesiZulu sithi isithakazelo.
Isithakazelo. Yeah, yeah.
Valent.
Okay, Dr. K, ngifuna ukuthi uzama ukuclarify umphakathi ngithi ukuthi how do you handle uDr. K as isangoma and uDr. K as a pastor? How do you
How do
manage
you
the two?
balance these two?
It's a simple thing.
Yeah.
We listen, we don't judge.
Okay.
We
Okay.
watch, we don't judge.
Okay. Okay.
We listen, we don't judge.
Usually.
No, I want to go deeper.
Usually,
Go deeper.
okay, before
Yeah.
you go and further on it, usually into lezi zingathi zi quite opposite.
As correspond.
If someone is a pastor,
You can't be a
usually
tradition-
babe
Yeah,
criticize
ne? Isangoma.
someone or isangoma. If someone is a sangoma,
They criticize
they
abafundisi.
criticize our pastors. So when you are 1 in 2, you are 2 in 1.
There is a little bit of contradiction.
Yeah,
You are saying,
Singisi bafowethu.
okay, you are saying
yeah,
these two are two opposites.
Yeah.
You are actually saying that. And you continue say, Baya bebe criticize. If you are saying Baya, in other words, you are saying they are.
Yeah.
Who are those people? Let's go back. Up until you guys, you start judging each other, there will be a criticism.
yeah.
But actually, if you mind your own business, there's no criticism.
Okay.
And if you know where you are coming from, you respect your culture,
Yeah.
there's no criticism. You wouldn't give anyone an opportunity to gossip about your mother if you love your mother.
That's true.
You wouldn't give anyone a space to gossip about your partner if you really
love-
do
yeah,
love
right.
your partner.
Yeah, that's true.
But now us as Africans or us, the young generation like me,
Yeah.
and or those 45 years going downwards, 50 years
Yeah.
going downwards, they've managed to give the white people a chance to criticize our culture.
Yeah, right.
And then we gave them a chance to criticize our culture, now it tends, we are scared to practice our own culture, spirituality things because they've started criticizing it.
Yeah.
So we now rate or take it as demons.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
right.
they've said God first,
Yeah.
ancestors at the back.
Yeah.
And then they've turned, when they turn, they
Yeah.
say, don't look at these people. These people are demons.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
they've seen the power of it.
Okay.
When a white man came here in Africa,
Yeah.
he found that there's money in this African thing, spirituality.
Yeah.
And then they've decided to convert it to medical doctors.
Okay.
So when they've decided to do so,
Yeah.
they then closed the gaps. They
Yeah.
said, if you want to practice, you better give us your recipe.
Okay.
Sometimes I can tell you a simple thing.
Yeah.
Do you know that a drip, sometimes it's water?
A trip.
A drip, sometimes it's just water.
Just water.
Okay.
It's just water. Sometimes flavored water.
Okay.
They put it there. Then you start saying, I'm feeling much better.
Oh my God.
It's mental.
It's mental.
my
It's
God.
all here.
Yo.
In mind.
It's all trust.
Okay.
If you believe, you'll be healed. If you don't believe, you won't be healed.
Okay.
Same applies, but on us, we do it practical in front of
Practical.
Okay.
you. In front of you.
Yeah.
We go there, Ngadala
Yeah.
umuntu bekalunywa inyoka. Ithi mayiqeda kumluma inyoka, thatha ihlungu, kulungisa ihlungu zenyoka,
Yeah.
thatha imithi, thatha hlanganisa umanyazini double pie,
Yeah.
thatha kuhlanganisa umayisaka,
Yeah.
hlanganiswa isibabuli,
Yeah.
hlanganiswa onukani, ugaya lento ndawonye, hlanganiswa bese ke uyagcatshwa.
Yeah.
Bakucabe. Mabeqeda ukucaba bese kuthiwa go there, we'll see. Iphele leyo nto.
Nowadays.
You are not taken to hospital.
Yeah.
Okay.
But in nowadays, there's this thing which is called a medical aid. A white man is doing a lot of money.
Okay, from that.
Lot of money. There's a man who's behind, who's collecting.
Okay.
Printing money is not even to his printing money each and every month.
Oh my God.
You pay myself.
Yeah.
I pay 20,000 for my kids per month.
20,000 US.
25,000 rand per month. It's a medical aid.
Oh.
I don't remember myself going there to the hospital.
Yo.
Not even
Because
once.
No, I only went once when I fell off my bike, my motorbike. Then I just went there for checkup. Then I was out. Then most of the things were done into my surgery. So abantu abayeke lento yokuthi bathatha isintu sabo basibone njengamadimoni.
Okay.
Isintu akulona idimoni. Idimoni elikhulu yilo muntu omhlophe wabuya esuka le phesheya wabuya la wathi nina bukani izinto zeni njengamadimoni. Wena uzalwa kaNdlovu. Uma ukhuluma nabantu abaphansi abadala
Yeah.
uthi Ndlovu katsheni boya
Boya
benyathi
benyathi.
bese beyaphakama uNdlovu balalela ukuthi uthini.
Okay.
Uma njengamanje ufuna ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu kumele ubize ndodana kaJakobe, ndodana kaJosepha. Awumazi uJosepha, uJakoba umazi. Ubiza kahle ibongo noma ubiza amadlozi angale. That is why I'm saying people must learn one thing. You watch, you practice, but you don't judge. Because it becomes a very big problem when you start judging. Then it now creates a debate.
Yeah.
Hence, even this interview,
Yeah.
you will see the comments. There will be a lot of debate because someone else will think he's much better than Ketlelezi. Kanti
For sure.
Ketlelezi unaki into yakhe yesintu.
Yeah.
And mina izwe ngilishumayela ngishumayela izwe lokuthi buyani esintwini senu.
Okay, Dr. Cake. Is Jesus true?
Is Jesus true?
Yeah.
Uyiqiniso? Yes, no.
But he
Okay.
says I am the truth, the way, and the life.
But is it true?
Okay, usho njalo ne?
Yeah.
Uthi I am the truth,
Yeah.
the way,
way.
the life.
Yeah.
Idlozi lakithi liyiqiniso nendlela nokuphila. Elakithi.
Uh-huh.
Right in his own space.
Do you believe in Jesus?
Mina 50%. 50%.
50%.
I'm doing favor for my fans and for my church members. And also them. I'm teaching what I believe in.
Yeah.
And I'm saying you must be like me. First prioritize your ancestors and your culture. You must prioritize that. Then we can practice that one after. Fana nokuthi uthi uyalimala uNkulunkulu wami. What is that? Biza bakini.
Yeah.
Biza umkhulu wakho. Ngoba at this particular time yena ubhekile.
Oh my God.
Abasebelele abawona madimoni. A book, a Bible,
Yeah.
it is a business book which was written by a white man to colonize our systems.
Black minds.
Okay.
Yiphinde.
Yo.
A Bible. They must stop saying it's a Bible. That was there to monitor us.
Okay.
That as poor men, whatever the rule was, a Roman Dutch law, that rule was saying we follow what is written in the Bible.
Yeah.
So hence, even if someone will be debating today, will say, but the Bible say,
But the Bible
don't say
says.
the Bible. It was something which was written by a white man who was colonizing us.
Just to
The
blind
Bible
us.
say a foreigner will leave his own country, his own land, to come and rule in your own country. And then you will work for a foreign man. You will be the slave. Because they knew very well that as time goes on,
Yeah.
they will leave their land and they will come to our
So,
land.
so
Okay.
that's not
We'll
that's
wait
not
for them.
That's not a revelation. Actually, revelation. What you call it? The end of time is coming true. Because the Bible says in the end of times you're gonna see it, you're gonna experience it.
Because it's a white man who
Isn't
wrote
it?
that. Because they knew their
Yeah.
mission.
Okay.
That
Oh.
okay, in the
Hey.
next 100 years,
Yo.
we will be here.
Yo.
It's a very
So
stretch.
for us to narrate it or for us to tell them we need to use this. Every Sunday we gather.
Yeah.
And then there's nothing according to the law. If you are gathering, you're calling this thing a church.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to be talking about anything else. You must abide by the Bible. And the constitution of the church.
Yeah.
It must have some verses. You must quote from the Bible.
From the Bible.
So you are being quoted. You can't think, you can't expand.
You're being guided, actually.
Exactly. You are guided by this business book.
Okay.
So now, what I'm saying is, why are they not allowing us to practice our own thing?
Because even in the Bible, there's like the scripture, like the dead, they don't know anything. Like, abantu abafileyo, umuntu ofileyo abazi lutho.
Yeah, that's what they say. That's what they say. But at the same time, they contradict themselves.
Okay.
In the Bible.
By saying
I
that.
think they went as far as they forgot what they wrote maybe at the beginning. Maybe at the end they forgot they write something else which will contradict themselves. If there are scripts that you can't read in the church. Why? Because they tell the truth as it is.
Okay.
I think the man who was writing the Bible is not only one man.
Yeah,
I think there were too many.
Yeah, there were
and
too many.
They ended up fighting.
Okay.
Because they were like,
all right.
They were like, you saw what you wrote there. Because these people will
not
see.
Make sure, yeah, right.
Okay. Kule ndaba le eyokuthatha le nto le yabo mbonile la abantu abaningi mabese okay, the moment you mentioned Dr. K's name abantu bacabanga ukuthatha le nto kuyaphileka indlayo bhuti Mtala.
Kuyaphileka mfowethu makuthatha le nto I will tell you the truth. Izinto sinazo zokuphakamisa abantu zokuphila.
Okay.
Hayi ukuthi kufa abantu noma ini. Kuphila abantu kodwa uphila ngedlozi lakini.
Ngedlozi.
Akhona amandla.
Yeah.
Through spirit sikhona isethwalo. Ngedlozi lakho. Siphakamisa ugogo wakho sewashona. Simvuse sithi la ekhaya wena ondla abantu.
Dlozi khaya.
So I need you to explain the process. Ukuthi uvusa umuntu. How do you do that? How umuntu uyavusa?
Asimvusi as such ukuthi uzovuka phile
physically.
Spiritual.
But spiritually. Uyakwazi ukuvuka ukhulume naye.
Okay.
Ritual ngomoya.
It's a ritual.
Awusabisi dokotela.
Things that we need to talk, there are things that we are not supposed to talk.
Okay.
Kunomkhulu wami ngisebenza ngayo esigodlweni abathi umkhuluma nikiniki. Angikhulumi ngaye noma kanjani.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngisho ngakhuluma ngabantu baqala ukumjwayela kabi. Bayagula abantu abaningi. Bayagula abanye baphambanelwa ingqondo. Mawufika kwami uzohlola ngikusa kuye kuqala. Hamba ukhuluma nomkhuluma nikiniki. Uyithola nje indoda imile kanje ilenga imali. Uyitshela ukuthi indoda ngifuna ukuthi ikubuke nje ithi ya.
Hayibo.
Ikubuke le ndoda.
Iyakhuluma.
Ayikhulumi thulile ithe. Kodwa iyakhuluma nami.
Okay.
Bese ngikutshela ukuthi ithe umntanakho uMark. Uthi uMark umntanami. Uye lo shilo.
Awisabi.
Yeah, I'm proud of being an African. Proud ngesintu sami because le nto ayina machine, ayina remote, ayina ntambo kagesi, ayina lutho. Kuphela ngishisa impepho.
Okay.
Mangeke ngashisa impepho bese kuyavuka bese iyakhuluma le nto. Ngisho ngingekho ngila eZimbabwe, mabe ngashisa impepho esigodlweni manje, le nto iyavuka ikhuluma. Khuluma nami ngila, ithi njengamanje bashisa impepho angazi ukuthi benzani. Tshela labantu bayiyeke le noma ngiyovela emvusa umlilo.
Yo.
Iyakwazi la ndoda ukusho ithi tshela lo muntu manje othi uzofuna into kanje le ngeke imsebenzele. Kuyomsiza ukuthatha 1 no 2 no 3 ngoba le isho ngeke imsebenzele.
Yo.
Banikiniki igama layo. Akukhulunywa ngayibusuku, ukhulunywa ngayimini.
Okay.
La ngamaseshoni la khulunywa ngayo ngoba mawuke wakhuluma ngayibusuku ugesi uyahamba. Make kwahamba ugesi angazini ozoyibona.
So ebusuku vela ulobona.
Vele ungalingi edite lento ebusuku ukuthinta igama layo. Ungalingi yenze lona.
Yo.
Manikiniki hayi. Ngoba umuzi umtest amandla kamanikiniki.
Yo.
Ungalala iandu igqokile uvuka ingekho. Angidlali lento engishoyo.
Ungabaleki boy.
Wa edit lento ebusuku ex.
Yabona vele angifuni ukutshela mangakhuluma ngomanikiniki kabi.
Yo.
Manikiniki udila ngemali. Manikiniki nje udila ngemali ufika umtshela ukuthi maniki ugogo uhloniphe. Manikiniki angabulala umuntu mina ngicela ukuthi angizile ngalokho. Manikiniki mina umuntu nje wafa ngenxa yami
Okay.
kodwa ngizile ngiyaxolisa ngizocela mkhulu ukuthi into zami iphakame ngiphethe imali engaka kangaka manje ngiyathula kubuka by the time usuka le kulendlu uza kimi uyofika ngitshele mina ade tshela lo muntu angiphumela kuphela la
Okay.
uma phela uqamba manga lo wakwafika omnye umfana osigebengu wafika lapha esigodlweni uthe mayifika abantu bashiya imali zabo la phansi
Yeah.
cha engaka awambuka umanikiniki wabona le nto ayikhulumi ithu lele wathatha imali kunokuthi abeke imali wathatha imali wazi isandla simshaya akasiboni iqhamuka la esamshaya khona isandla nanamhlanje sibolile isandla sakhe silapheki angazi nami wayenzani so izinto zesintu ungazideleli ungayideleli namanje ngathi walunywa inyoka isandla la sibolile
So Dr. K, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi wena uya lawyer yini? Uyathakatha yini?
makufanele ngithakathe ngiyathakatha la ngingadluleki khona ngiyadlula
Yo.
yeah angixolele umuntu obukayo wangidelela ngakudelela mina ngikunika lokho nginika khona wangihlonipha ngihlonipha kakhulu
So do you believe in eye for an eye or do you believe in that?
isongeso lapho nje wangishaya ngeke ngisho ukuthi njengaseBhayibhelini kuthiwa cha lento yabhalwa abelungu babenzela ukuthi banishaye
Wona wamshaya okushaya nje mvuthuza semthatha.
la belungu babenzela ukuthi banishaye malifika ezweni leni banishaye ngapha nani nivume ukuthi
Yo.
mina wangishaya ngala ngikuhuza ngapha kuhuza nestroke baningi abahleli ema wheelchair babe ngithatha kancane mina impela futhi umuntu wemoto ukuthi umntawe ngemoto ukhona nika umuntu wemoto ibheke phezulu
Last time you mentioned the magic oil.
nginayo imagic oil encane kanje amafutha esimanga anzima kakhulu umuntu mayifuna ukuphakama umuntu mayifuna ukubamba indoda yakhe ihluphe umfazi mayihluphe eqoma kakhulu ekhonjwa ekhomba kakhulu buya la silungisa indoda iyayichumisa uma ihlale phansi thula umsindo uthi hlala la upheke ntambama uyezwa yebo finish izinto ezikhona asikhulumi nje kuphela sizozenza lezo zinto the only thing engisaba empilweni nami inyoka angifuni ngoba ibusiness book ithi unyoka nomuntu waba yisitha esimina seEden ayisensile vele wathi mayibonana ziyo umnyabaleka
The bad ways. Okay, dokotela. Kulapho okuthatheni lento leyo seke sizwa abanye besithi uhamba kuba mnandi kwesikhashana then uhamba kube lo
ungezwa ngabantu thatha okunye ungakuthathi social media ngakuthatha okunye
Okay.
abanye benza icontent babona ukhehlele ezikhuluma nje bahamba bo create yabe content nabakhuluma ngayithatha into ezikhuluma ku social media
Okay.
thani nami ngifuna ukuyofika nami ngifuna ukuyofika khona ngihluleke khona
Kodwa-
ayikho into okuthiwa uqala kamnandi gcine kabi usuke uqale wrong
Okay.
lo muntu oyenzile akayazi into ayenzayo uyaforce ufundela kuwo
Mala
mawuthola
cost.
abantu thina siyayazi ngimdala kulomsebenzi
Yeah.
mdala kulomsebenzi 1999 manje is 2025
25.
mdala kakhulu la
So laba wasuka sengathiwa usefuna ukubisela into zakhona khona ngale
benjalo.
Dr.
vele babethatha umkokotelo
Okay.
mina sithatha into esilo sithi gquma phalaza hamba ohlaba thina sikunika into sithi thatha nasi imira
But
le mira le after 3 months uhlabe ikhudu chele ngenyongo lento faka umuthi
but kule milayelo you gotta follow some rules. If you don't do that, kusho ukuthi phela.
if you don't abide by the rules ingeke isebenze.
So
If I say this car uses petrol and you don't put petrol, do you expect the car to move? Won't move. Same applies to the apps. If I tell you to do this and you don't follow,
Yeah.
angeke isebenze leyo.
Huh? That's tough.
It's very right. Okay, Dr. K. Mhlambe bakhona abantu seke baza ku Dr. K basebebuya lama testimonies ukuthi hayi injabulo
Kumina.
kakhulu.
Kumina. Yebaba liyaphuma liyashona la ekhaya.
Yeah.
Liyaphuma liyashona ngoba ngikutshela ukuthi liyaphuma liyashona. Mina ngi-international.
Yeah.
Angilapha eSouth Africa kuphela.
Yeah.
International nginama clients asuka they fly special.
Yo.
America. Beze kimi. UK beze kimi. Ireland beze kimi. Swaziland, Botswana, Zambia, Malawi, Tanzania, Angola, Zimbabwe. beza kimi
Okay.
mabefika Lesotho bafike kwami nginendawo zokulala
Okay.
you book you sleep lale relax ngihlala phansi thola salungisa into zakho mina ngiqale ngizwe ukuthi into yakho ifunani
Okay.
but if you are coming to me you must be willing to pay because awufuni ukusacrifice ngegazi so kufanele usacrifice ngemali
Okay.
Either way,
Siavoid
either way you gotta sacrifice.
exactly
Okay.
angifuni umuntu othi ngicela ungenzele khehlelezi mase ku right zoyenza which means wena kahle kahle you are applying for blood
Okay.
So
So
ngeke.
ukhetheleza indaba yokusacrifice ngegazi leyo ihamba njani usuka usacrifice ngefamily or ngemvu or with an animal.
leyo gazi vela ngifuna abantu bayithathe leyo because it starts from an animal
Okay.
mayisuka from an animal automatically goes to the family so angifuni leyo vele umuntu ayithathe
Okay.
sacrifice ngemali irregardless inkulu kanjani leyo mali but take it
Okay.
keep imali nje wena
Bese khona mhlambe out there othi hayi mina khehleleza ngila imali kodwa igazi ngizimisele.
wena phakathi Jofa undofa phela lo straight undofa lo hayi abuya yabuya kodwa uzojikiswa imithetho
Okay.
ish
Too much.
ha
Too much.
And then bese kusiba khona abanye okuthiwa kule sitholo sokuthi uyindoda kumele ulale lo muntu wesilisa.
yebo
Okay.
khona abazala belala nabo kodwa isikhathi esiningi sikhona izinto esizibuka sihleke sithi yebo aphelile amadoda la ngaphansi aphelile emuva phelile ngiyakutshengisa ukuthi ngelinanga indoda ungayibona ihamba kanjani iphelile yafihla manje kodwa ayaphelile amaningi manje uyabuka uhle nomfazi wakho uyadliwa ngaphandle hayi ukuthi udliwa ngoba ethanda ufuna imali eliqala lento ayiqala ejele
Okay.
nejela ngithi kunalento eyinombolo uthi lo 26 lo ama 28 lo i big 5 lo ama 27 yabo iqala lapho and there are some spirits ajoinwayo
Okay.
ukuthi la kahle kahle usatanism
Okay. Ngicela ukubuza Joja K, untikoloshi into ephilayo yini, into ekhona yini kumbe ngamagama nje adlula ku planet Earth?
no theology into ekhona kodwa kusuke kuumuthi impande thizeni eyakha into ngaleso sikhathi singashintsha lesithombe lesi sikhulume ngomuthi sishintshe but you can't see it with your naked eyes.
Okay.
There must be a certain spirit ma umuntu emoya uzoyibona ma ukuthi awuyena umuntu emoya futhi uzothakatheka uyoshaya kuyokhahleleka
Bona untikoloshi basebenza kanjani?
bathunywa
Okay.
bathunywa abafana sometimes uyabathuma batshela ukuthi hayi imali kodwa ma unomfazi bazokudlela umfazi
Okay.
ya umfazi wakho bazomthinta kakhulu thola ukuthi wena induka isavuka ithintela khona la
And umfazi uzobe at the same time.
naye ingane zakho zamantombazana azizothinteka kakhulu kunesikhwele phela nakho
Alright.
ya kufuna ukuthi angathi ungathi uthinta nako ukuthinta isikhathi esiningi wena kukuthinta ingqene emuva ukuthinte ngapha emuva ingqene ugcine futhi uyifuna kwamanye amadoda ngasemuva yikho ke kodwa kunendlela yakho ukucontrola ngako kodwa ke ekuyabhetha man
Yo.
ekuyabhetha man ubone kuyabhetha What is this nesikhulume phela la
Yeah, ngempela.
kodwa khona kuzokhokha nakho
Okay, kuyakhokha.
amadoda amaningi ashaya ngakho hamba ama 4x4 hayi ukuthi wena uhamba 4x4 nawo but that's
Okay.
And mostly, but I'm gonna see chi. But mostly it's these guys. These guys are my fortune and my 40. Hey, let's move on, cheese. Let's move on. These politicians. But I hate this. The politicians mostly. Is it true?
Yeah, ama politicians anazo izinto kodwa ngeke sisho ukuthi obani.
Okay.
Banazo too much.
Let's move on.
Okay. And then Dokotela.
Ngeke umane uphatha abantu nje.
Yeah.
Kanjalo unganazinto. Ma uphatha abantu kulandelwa abantu kumele benezinto and the artist.
Okay. Ama-artist.
Yeah.
So mhlambe bakhona abake bevakashi ku Joja K ama-artist even ungazange warevela amagama.
No, we are not allowed to mention names and whatever that I do, I make sure that I protect my customers.
Yeah.
My clients.
Strictly confidential.
Strictly. Ngaboshwa. Even beze esigodleni umuntu mayithe ngiyeza kuwe khehleza ngifuna ukubona. Ngisho ngangithuka kanjani. I have to be confidential nge privacy yakhe. So but bona bakhona too much.
Okay.
Too much politicians, artists they come.
Eish. So masizo.
And it's not a wrong thing, eh?
Yeah.
Let's remove that fear.
Yeah.
It's not a wrong thing.
Okay.
Practice the culture.
Okay.
Actually, they are clever, but right.
Okay. Okay, uthini ngomuntu mhlambo olalele lapha nofuna ukuthwala ocabanga ukuthi kulobungozi.
Hayi, akangifonele. WhatsApp number wami private ile 071 +27 71 130
Yeah.
7808 number yami le WhatsApp wami ngqo. Uma WhatsApp nje mina ngusendela location. Thoza la. Fike nento kanje. WhatsApp wami lo uma ufuna ungifonela 071 1307808 noma uthi 066 00 26633. uFacebook wami nyanga uDumo Mzokhethelezi. Facebook wami no blue badge. Make sure makungana star esi blue. That's not me. Kunama fake account amaningi.
Okay.
Mina yami ne blue
It's verified. Blue
Ina
check.
854,000 followers.
Yo.
TikTok wami it's Dr. K 503. TikTok yami, YouTube yami it's Dr. Kethlelezi. YouTube yami le.
Okay.
Sala khona lapha uzobuka izinto. Ziyenzeka izinto.
Siyabonga.
Thank you very much. Siyabonga.
Yo.